Hey guys, welcome back. This is Nature Watchers. So we're just looking around and like, hey Mama, I'm filming again. Can you point out some more things?
Well, we're about to cross the street up here. We're heading to the South
Okay.
Lodge.
Okay, I see that sign right here. Hold on, I'm gonna take a picture of the sign. Click. Lewis, can you tell us anything? I'm filming, so this will be like an interview.
Cross quickly into Kids Feast.
So he has this cool mushroom guide where we might be able to add on some pictures of the mushrooms that we took photos
It's
of.
not that long. See? Woo. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving.
I think that's all.
Wait, no, I think there might be
more.
Ask Mommy and Tommy questions.
Yep. Okay. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, I need to run. Hold on, I'm going to pause some time. Hey, I'm interviewing everybody here about how you think of this place. What do you think of it?
It's wonderful.
Okay, so
So
can you
beautiful.
point out a few details that you liked? Ooh, and there's a few.
The mossy trees. The
Yeah,
green,
me too. I really like
ferns.
the most. Those are sword ferns, by the way, if you didn't know. All right, I'm gonna pause again to catch up to Mommy.
Sword ferns.
Pause. Well, I'm not quite to Mommy, but on my way I noticed this. Few facts about the area. This one looks pretty cool.
Follow